Good morning, once again with optimal leak detection. Thank you so much. So today what we're doing is we're actually trying to find a leak on the autofill pot. We spoke with the client and it seems like they already fixed this one time, but it's still leaking. So the technician would come and would tell us that the pool would actually rise and he was having problems with the autofill pot. So this is an interesting leak. It's a leak that actually overfills the pool. So the leak is gonna be somewhere around here. We already listened to it, and where you have our electronics rig here that we can put air and water. The leak is somewhere around here, but if you come and follow me, it's actually filling up the pool. As you can see, all the way through here, this whole area right here, water is actually coming through the autofill pot this way, and you see this hairline cracked, and it's actually filling up the pool. So at first it was very strange to have a leak, but it's actually filling up the pool. It's definitely a new one. So follow us and we'll continue helping you with your leak needs. Take care. Bye-bye.